And if you exceed those standard deviations, what's your protocol? And for us, the goal is to have these tests all as automated tests that we can run on a schedule against known builds with working states. And this is a working build, but is it a performing build? And for us, it all comes back to that beautiful statement, which is it's a death of 1,000 cuts. If you look at your software and you make 1,000 small decisions to decrease quality, the customer only sees 1,000 problems in one. And you can go and fix one of them, but at the end of the day, they don't care that you saved 1 millisecond or 2 milliseconds here. They just care that their experience is good, right? And so scalability, performance, software like ours, it's an enterprise piece of software. You need that end user to be your champion, to say there's a value in using this.